Students, we got the following sector-based question. This is question number 10. And let me draw the diagram first. So we got got the circle, and to this circle we have a sector. So this is the okay. So the sector is actually covering the circle. Okay, figure is not to scale. So this point is A, D, B. Now this is the center O. There is a hit here. So this is the radius R, and this is given as theta. This is C. This point is E, and this point is F. Now we are asked to get CD. Okay, and with this information, let me write this. Find CD in terms of R and sine theta. Okay, first foremost, by the theorem, tangent theorem, to the circle, the angle between the radius and the tangent line is 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degrees. So that would mean I can actually utilize this information to get this value. I want to know what is CO. Okay, what is CO is required. So I am actually drawing that. So this angle is theta. This point is C, and this point is F, this point is O. So CO is required. And I know this is to be R. This is given as R. Now, if I were to utilize the trigonometrical ratios, then I would go with the following sine theta ratio. Now sine theta is opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. So sine theta is opposite side is R, my hypotenuse is CO. So therefore CO is equal to R over sine theta. So we have got this CO, right? The question wants us to find CD, but OD is what? OD is R. So therefore CD is OC plus OD. My OC or CO is R over sine theta, and OD is R. So this would mean I take sine theta as LCM. I would get R here plus R times sine theta. This can be rewritten as r of 1 positive sine theta divided by sine theta, which is my CD. So this is the solution, and that is the requirement. Now the next question they are asking us to find the perimeter of CAB. Now what they are giving us is r is equal to 4 is given, and then theta is equal to pi over 6 is given. Now perimeter means that would include CA plus AB plus CB. Now AB is nothing but arc length. Arc length is nothing but AB of AB plus CB. Now for finding the arc length of the sector, we will have to use L is equal to R times theta. But this R is actually our total CD, right? So we will have to utilize CD here, and theta, we are given only one part as theta, right? But for this entire sector we need another theta, so that would mean we need to have 2 times of pi over 6, because this theta is only pi over 6, but we need this entire region, so that's very important. So this is a very tricky question. Now to get CD, we will have to utilize this formula. So R is given to be as 4 units. Now theta is pi over 6, so that means we have to put in sine theta, that's sine 30 divided by sine 30, which is 4 times of 1 positive. Sine 30 is 1 over 2. This is 1 over 2. When you flip this, it becomes 8. When you simplify this, it will become 3 over 2. 2 divides 8. 4 times 3 is 12. So CD is 12 units. So coming over here, you have 12 units times 2 units times pi divided by 6. So 6 divides 12. 2 times 2 into 2 is 4 pi. So arc length L is equal to 4 pi. So the perimeter, when it comes to perimeter, the value for CA is 12, the value for AB is 4 pi, and another 12. So you add these two together, you get 24 positive 4 pi. So that's a solution for this question. Students, we are asked to find the area of the shaded region, so this region. Now foremost, what I want to do is I want to find the area of triangle CFO. Now I know this point R is equal to 4, and I know this point, which is theta pi over 6. Now this area is nothing but half times base into height. Now I need to get the base. So for that I would be utilizing my, say, opposite side over adjacent side, because I cannot use hypotenuse side. So I will have to use opposite side over adjacent side. So tan theta is opposite side over adjacent side. Now theta is pi over 6, that's 30. So this is going to be tan 30 is opposite side, which is 4 units, and adjacent side we need. Adjacent side is actually C times F. Now tan 30 is sine 30 divided by cos 30. Sine 30 is 1 over 2, cos 30 is root 3 over 2. 2 gets cancelled. So you get 1 over root 3. So we need CF. So CF is equal to 4 over, and this is 1 over root 3, right? So I place 1 over root 3. which means CF is equal to 4 times root 3. So I've got this base. So area of triangle CFO is half times my base is 4 into root 3. My height is given to be as 4 units. So 4 goes here, 2 divides here 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. So 8 times root of 3 square units. Okay, so this is this area. Now we need to get the area of the shaded region. So for that I have to actually get this region, area of this sector, right? Now from the triangle I will take away this area of the sector. So for that I need this angle. Now this angle is given as pi over 6. This angle is 90. So angle at O is, let me do it here, angle at O is going to be 30, 90 plus 30, which is 120 degrees, and this 120 degrees you take away from 180. So what I'll do is I'll write it like this. So let me drop this line off, and from 180 I take away 120, I will get 60. So this is 60 degrees. Now why did I do this? I need to get this region, okay, the area of the sector. So let me mention this point as some P, right? This region is P, and let me have this figure and go over here. So area of sector FOP, we need to use the sector formula. So that is going to be half times r squared into theta. So that's the sector area. Now we are looking for FOP. So that is going to be equal to 1 over 2 times. My r is 4 units, 4 squared. My theta is 60. I'm going to write it as pi over 3. So this is 16. So 2 divides here 8 times. So this will be 8 pi over 3. Now required region. So the required area, which is CFP. CFP is equal to area of triangle CFO from the area of the triangle. You subtract area of the sector FOP. Area of sector FOP. So this is already got. So this value is 8 times root 3. 8 times root 3 minus this value is 8 pi over root 3. So therefore the total area of the shaded region is equal to 2 times of 8 times of 3 into root 3 minus pi over 3. So this would be 16 times of 3 into root 3 minus pi over 3. So you can write this as square units. If you want, you can settle it like this, or you can actually distribute this inside. You can bring the 16 inside. So if you were to bring the 16 inside and distribute this denominator 3, then it will be 16 times 3 into root 3 divided by 3, negative 16 times pi over 3. 3 gets cancelled, giving you 16 times the root of 3, negative 16 pi over 3 square units. So that will be the complete solution for this question.